I'm going to show you which is better, US Mobile or Visible by Verizon. Now, these are very similarly priced. You can see for unlimited premium and unlimited starter, they're both $35 and $25 per month. You can see $25 and $35 per month. So it's just a matter of preference at this point, right? For Visible by Verizon, I'm pretty sure you only get coverage for Verizon networks. For US Mobile, I'm pretty sure you get more broader coverage, right? And for US Mobile, I'm pretty sure you get more flexible plans as well. Meanwhile, with Visible Verizon, it's much more strict, but they're both unlimited data here, right? Now, I'm going to show you a couple of speed tests from both of these carriers, and I'm going to show you a couple of comparisons here and a couple of tables to compare each of these mobile carriers to see which one is best for you. But in the end, it'll just come down to a matter of preference. Have you ever been a customer of US Mobile? Have you ever been a customer of Visible or Verizon? If you have any experience by any of these, and either it be good or bad, then by then you can make your choice on which one you want to buy.